In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account in just 5 minutes. With this step-by-step guide, you'll be sending emails from your new Gmail account in no time. Let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is access the Gmail website. You can easily do this by opening up your web browser and typing in Gmail or gmail.com into the search bar. This will take you to the home page where all the magic happens. Once you are on the Gmail homepage, look for the option that says Create an Account. It's usually near the top right corner. Clicking this will prompt Google to offer you the choice to create either a For Myself or To Manage My Business account. Choose the option that suits your needs best, but for personal use we'll go with For Myself. Next, a form will appear asking for some basic information. This is where you need to enter your first and last name. It might seem pretty straightforward, but it's important to ensure the accuracy of this information, especially if you'll use this email for professional purposes in the future. Now you'll be asked to choose a username. This will form the first part of your email address, followed by @gmail.com. Try using a combination of your first and last name, or perhaps something easy to remember. If your preferred username is already taken, Gmail will suggest some alternatives. Feel free to get creative, but make sure it's something you'll be comfortable sharing for personal or professional use. Moving on, you'll need to create a password. A strong password is vital to keep your account secure. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and even special symbols. Aim for at least 8 characters to ensure it's robust. Remember, a good password is both hard to guess and easy for you to remember. Google will now ask you to verify your phone number. This step is essential for account security, providing a means to recover your account if you forget your password or have trouble logging in. Enter your phone number and Google will send a verification code via text message. Just enter that code into the field provided and you're all set with verification. Finally, you'll be prompted to review and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Take a moment to read through these documents to understand what you're agreeing to, then hit accept. And there you have it, a brand new Gmail account ready to use. You can customize your inbox, set up email forwarding, or explore other features that Gmail offers. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Gmail experience.